Berkeley gilly comes in a bunch of different colors. There is a few that I'm going to show you today. There's one that's going to look like a bluegill, one that's going to look like a crappie. There's going to be one that looks like a pumpkin seed. There's also going to be one that looks like a regular sunfish. And there's going to be like a warmouth one. And then there's going to be a yellow perch. These colors all work really well because they're natural forage for bass in most of their environments across the U.S. and a ton of other states. There is also a ton of other different colors like these, but you can check a bunch of other places to find the colors. There's tons of rigging methods, but this one's my favorite. You're going to want to look at the bait. There's going to be 2 lines under the eye and underneath the little fin. You want to rig it at an angle, the hook going more towards the bottom one. This is a really good way to get it to swim straight. It also works if you jig it up and down like a normal Texas rig. There's 3 different sizes in the gilly: the 90 millimeter, 110 millimeter, and 130 millimeter. I like the 110. The normal price you'll find at like Bass Pro and Walmart is normally around $10 to $11, but if you go on Amazon, sometimes you can find deals for like half off, and it's a really good deal. The durability on these guys are pretty good. Only problem is when you hook it, sometimes the tail can rip off from hooking it too much, and the front, where you start to Texas rig it, rips really easy after a couple of fish.